Now that I've completed the sales page, I'm going to go on to the next page, which is the thank you page or the download page. But before I do that, I just want to quickly show you the other pages I have here that I'm probably not going to use. Okay, there's an order form and order confirmation. Of course, you may use this for your business, but I'm not going to use it because, well, usually I use a different platform for selling products online, such as Warrior Plus or JVZoo. Now, if you decide to go with the order form, which is the next funnel step here, or if you don't, you could just click on the X to delete it. But let me just show you what they look like. So if you click on the order form here, you'll be presented with some templates that you could choose from. So let's just take a look at this one here, preview. Okay, so if you had an order form, your customers would just fill out their information here. Okay, let's close this. Now let's take a look at the order confirmation. So this is where customers are brought to after they pay. And again, if you don't want this, you could just click on X to delete it, or you could go ahead and use it. I'm not going to use it because again, I use a different platform and customers are just automatically brought to the confirmation page of those platforms. But if you decide to use these ones here, again, you have templates, and let's look for a template that you could use. Click on preview. So basically it says thank you, and it looks like your typical confirmation page. Okay, so I'm going to close that, and in the next video I'm going to go ahead and create the thank you page, which is the next step here. Another thing too, if you want to create another page, you want to add another page to your funnel, you could go here, click on add new step. So you could do that, type in the name of the funnel step, and you could choose to have it shown in the funnel or not in the funnel. Okay, so let's just create one just for this demonstration here. Okay, and now you have a page called a demo page.